Écoles au Sénégal. Jana together with son manga jangale gita do bouger do faywa. Nga élèves te toll ci examen li nga soxla am na fi te mu gën la sur école.
In class, today we are going to talk about ICT, and in particular about the objective of our lesson. We are going to have two objectives. The general objective is to read and understand a text. We have one specific objective, which is to identify and discuss about some information. So our second objective will be how to express ability and opportunity and how to offer or request permission. So you have the objectives you're going to see in the lesson. And now we are going to begin. And before we begin the lesson, we are going to look at some pictures. So class, we are going to see some images. Can you tell me what are these images about? Yes, good. These images are about social networking. So our topic today is about the pros and cons of social networking sites. Now, you are going to read the text individually first. You read the text individually. After, in pairs, you are going to have two columns, one pros, the other column cons. And you are going to talk about the pros and cons of social networking. Pros and cons is advantages or disadvantages. So individual reading first, after pair work. Is it okay? What are you going to do? Yes, you read individually, after you work in pairs. That's good. So you have 10 minutes. Okay, now that's good. We can stop. Stop, please. And we're going to try to correct this exercise on the board. So, class, we are going to correct the exercise. Now, which example of social network do you have in the text? Facebook, good. So we're going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages. So some examples here. One advantage, you can keep in touch with your friends. Another example, you can find old friends. Yes? Now, one example of disadvantage, you can be flooded with requests. With requests from people you don't know. Another example, everybody can see your private life. Okay, we are going to list as examples. You can communicate with your friends. Another one, you can share photos. You can share photo. You can also share videos. Photo. Videos. Another disadvantage you find in the text, you can be wasting time in Facebook. Instead of learning your lessons, for example, instead of exchanging with your parents, your relatives, your sisters and brothers, you can waste time on Facebook. Good. Another one, you can, for example, hear about boring events. It means that you don't choose what you are going to hear or not. People are just sending messages, and you can hear some boring messages. Right, so we have here a list, and you can, for sure you have other advantages and disadvantages in your list. Now, after this pair work, you can work in a group of 4 in order to complete your list. And this list, we are going to keep it because we are going to use it after. Now we are going to see another activity. I'm going to give you a list of words you are going to use to rewrite
Senegal. Jana together with son manga jangale gita do bouger do faywa. Ni élèves te tolo ci examen li nga soxla am na fi tamu gën. Sur Ecoles.